In this video, we are going to find the XOR of numbers which appear twice. Hello, this is Jagan from growwithdata. I am posting this video to share my knowledge in Python language with you. If this assists you in your interview preparation anyways, I will be happy. Welcome to the 95th video of the Python interview question series. I have created a playlist, Python interview questions 51 to 100, and I will be tagging this video to that playlist. The code we discuss in this video will be posted in the GitHub and the link will be provided in the video description. Now let's see the sample input data and we can talk about the question in detail. So we are given a numerical input, the numerical array which has 1, 2, 2 and 1. So here each number in the array appear either once or twice. We have to return a bitwise XOR of all the numbers that appear twice in the array. If there is no number which appeared twice, then you return 0. First, when you say XOR, what is XOR, right? So it's a gate, AND gate, OR gate, NOR gate kind of, right? So XOR is exclusive OR. So how that XOR works? You might have studied that in our college or in a high school, right? So example, if you have two numbers like 5 and 3. So the bit value for 5 is going to be 0, 1, 0, 1, right? This is for 5. So this is 2 power 0, this is 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3 kind of, right? So this is 2 power 0, which is going to be 1, and then this is going to be 2 power 2, which is 4. So 4 plus 1, this is 5. Same way for 3, it's going to be 0, 0, 1, 1. So this is 2 power 0, which is 1, and this is 2 power 1, which is 2. So the total is going to be 3. Now we have to find the XOR of the 5 and 3. So for XOR, we use this caret symbol, right? So XOR means if the first value and the second value are different, right? Then the answer is going to be 1. If both are same, then it's going to be 0. So here, if it's, for 5 it's 0 and 3 is 0. So the answer is 0. For 1, 0, the output is 1. For 0, 1, the output is 1. For 1, 1, this is 0. So for this, the value is, this is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. So 2 power 2 plus 2 power 1. So equal to 4 plus 2 power 1 is 2 equal to 6. So the XOR value of the 5 and 3 is 6, right? So this is the calculation. In Python, what will you do? It's a tilde equal to, right? So if we say tilde equal to, then it will do the XOR value. So if we see A equal to 5, let's go here. A equal to 5, B equal to 3, A tilde equal to B. So this is going to give you, so here, okay, sorry, is A tilde B. So this will give you 6. Say C equal to A tilde B and C. So this will give you the XOR value of A and B. Okay, so how will you do this in Python? So basically what you have to do is, we have to see the element if it appears once or twice. If it appears twice, get only those numbers and get the XOR value based on the numbers we get. Let's start with the first operation. Now we know how to do a XOR, right? So we have to do the A caret symbol B. And then the second thing is we have to find which are the elements which appear twice. Let's see how to do that. So this is the input variable. Say div grow with data. Nums is the input. For first, we are going to use the normal for loop. For that, we have to use a variable called set, where you are going to check whether the number appears twice or once. The result is going to be the value variable stores the final result. Now for num in nums, for every element, we check if num not in the set. If it's not in the set, then you add to the set variable. If not, that means if that already exists in the set, right? Else, you just say result equal to result plus caret symbol. Result equal to result tilde num. Basically, this is like result equal to result tilde num. So for that, we simply say result caret equal to num. Now, this result will be storing all the XOR value, whichever is having the second appearance. After this, finally we say return result. If you call this function, we are going to get the XOR value. So it's 3, right? So 2 and 1 both appear twice. So what will happen if we say 2 and 1? For 2, the binary value is 0, 0, 1, 0, right? So this is for 2. For 1, it's 0, 0, 0, 1. So we have to do the XOR value. So how that works? For 0, 0, it's 0. For 0, 0, it's 0. 1, 0, it's 1. 0, 1, it's 1. So it's basically it's going to be 0 plus 0 plus 2 power 1 plus 2 power 0. Right? So here 2 power 1 is 2 plus 2 power 0 is 1 equal to 3. So that is what we are getting here. If you want to try multiple values, then our normal practice, we do the assert function and then we do it. So we say result. Where is the print statement here? Grow with data. Okay, this is the old one. Okay, grow with data. So here we call the function, the right function, capital letter. So what we do, we just read every element from the input array and we check if that exists in the set variable, because we are just appending that to set variable if it's not exist. If it exists, that means it appears in the second time. So we just come here, whatever the result we have, we just do a XOR function. Result equal to result XOR the number, and then you store that in the result variable. Finally, we just return that result variable. The main thing we have to know is this caret symbol. This is what the XOR symbol is. If you know that, the other things are easy. So this is a normal for loop, right? So we can just change a little bit of this. Instead of using the loop, we are going to try the dictionary part. So instead of set, we just say check equal to the dictionary. Now, will the result be here? First, we have to put all the elements in the dictionary, right? For num in nums, we can, okay, we just do step by step. So for the every element in that array, we just add that to the dictionary. Check equal check of I, right? Check of num equal to check dot get num comma 0. If there is a value, it will bring in the value. There's a key exists in the dictionary, it bring in the value. If not, it gets the 0. And then you just increment it. Now we get the dictionary. Now we just print and see. Let's have the grow with data as a function, so we don't have to run for everything. So num, okay. Oh, nums. So when I read all the elements in that array and store that in the dictionary, it's going to be for 1, it appears 2 times, 2, it appears 2 times. So what we have to check? We have to check all the elements which appears twice. So how will I get that? I just put list equal to, I say for the dictionary is check dot items. For check dot items, we just the key and value, right? For key val in check dot items, if the value equal to 2, it appears once or 2 times, right? So the value appears 2, then you bring the key. Now if you print, let's get the print here. Now print the list. So now we get 1 and 2, right? Dictionary, we got 1 appears twice, we got 2 appears twice. So we got the 1 and 2 which appears 2 times. Now we got the result as assigned as 0, right? I just do the loop for I in the list, the result caret equal to 1, right? Sorry, caret equal to the I at 1. After all the loop, return the result, which is going to be 3. If you want to try all the functions for all the other test cases, then use the assert function. You don't have to do this. Okay. Now everything is passed. We don't have to print everything. You can just do it. So it's all clear. So same like the previous one, but what we do is we assign everything to a dictionary, and then from that dictionary you get what are all the values which are 2 and get the key, and loop in that key and put that the XOR function and put all the values in the result, and you return the result value. You get this, right? So the first part, doing a loop and checking the value and putting that in the dictionary, all we have seen in fewer times, right? So that should be the thing. The only challenge in this question is how will you do a XOR function? So if you say result equal to result caret symbol num, that means you are doing a XOR. So how the XOR works? If both the values are same, then it's written 0. If any one of the value is different, then you put the 1. So that's how you do it. It's a basic binary operation. So this question is basically to check whether you know the binary operation and the basics of data structure. If you want to see the code for a practice, then this video will be in the playlist Python interview questions 51 to 100. We have Tamil version also, Tamil Python interview question 51 to 100. In every video, in the description part, we have the GitHub link, which will take you to the code base corresponding to that video. So the video we are talking about now is the 95th video. So that will have this link. Oh, I have to refresh it. Let's refresh the page and see the 95s here. Okay, so you got the 95th, and it got the normal for loop we tried, and then the dictionary part of it we tried, right? So we have the code. You can use this for your practice. If you want to join the WhatsApp channel, there's a link here. You can use this and join Grow with Data WhatsApp channel. Hope you like this video, and thanks for watching.